Hey everyone. So for Journal 4 this week, you actually have two options to choose from in terms of your prompt. We have prompt option 1 and prompt option 2. Only choose one of those options to write on. You do not have to write on both. Choose the one you prefer and write about it. Prompt option 1 says, think about what your experience in high school was like. Now, think about your experience as a college student. And then in your prompt, in your response, I want you to discuss the similarities or the differences between high school and college. Um, you know, Go ahead and get out as many ideas, no matter how big or small. This prompt could be a potential topic for writing assignment 2, your compare-contrast paragraph, in week 6. So the more ideas you get out now in this journal prompt, the more ideas you would have to choose from if you decide to use this as your topic for that writing assignment. But the idea, again, is comparing and contrasting. So if you're going to talk about, you know, relationships with teachers, talk about what those relationships with teachers was like in high school, describe it, explain it, but also then equally talk about what those relationships with your instructors are like in college. So again, it's that back and forth, so whatever whatever idea you're going to discuss, talk about it, what it was like in high school, and equally talk about what it's like in college for that point. Right? And again, try to get as many as you can. The other option for this prompt option 2, is to think about what life was like before you became a parent. So obviously, this prompt won't really work if you are not a parent yet, which is why you have prompt option 1 to choose from. But if you do have kids, you might prefer this one. Even if you have kids, you can still choose prompt option 1 if you want. But if you do have kids, you might prefer to do option 2. Think about what life was like before you became a parent. Then think about what life is like now that you have children. And again, you're going to discuss either the similarities or the differences between the two. And again, do it equally. So if you're going to talk about, the amount of sleep you get, talk about what sleep was like before having children, and equally talk about what sleep is like with children, right? So for every, every idea that you want to talk about, make sure that you explain it in terms of life before kids as well as life with kids, right? And again, this is a potential topic for writing assignment 2, so the more ideas you can get into this journal, the more ideas you'll have to choose from if you decide to use this as your topic for writing assignment 2. Remember to set that timer for 8 to 10 minutes and type nonstop even if you start to go off topic. It's a text response, so you'll be doing it right in the text box, and it's due Sunday at 11:59. Again, please just choose one of the options provided to you, not both. Okay? If you have any questions or run into any problems, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, just have fun with it.